everyone, and this is Harshita, and I'd like to say hello to everyone. And this is a big day, and today we are gathered here to celebrate the virtual launch of Teri Aankhon Mein by Divya Khosla Kumar, Darshan Rawal, Neha Kakkar by T Series, and we very soon Divya Khosla Kumar would be joining us. So, are you all excited? And yes, if you all are excited, let me know in the comment box below कि आप कितना ज़्यादा excited हैं to see Divya Khosla Kumar coming live today. And this is Harshita, your host for the day. And I can proudly say that I have been a student of Galgotia University as well, and I have had great time in Galgotias. So let's see how excited you all are here today to join us to have an interaction with Divya Khosla Kumar. And let me tell you all that she'll be joining us very soon, so keep your questions handy and keep everything ready so that you could just bombard your questions at her and see her coming live, see the national crush coming live. ओके, बाय द वे, आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने वो सॉन्ग देख लिया है, यानी कि दिव्या खोसला कुमार का फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा है? विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम दिव्या खोसला कुमार? Divyanka is saying yes, we are excited, and yes, Divyanka, we are excited too. So just you just press the arrow button down there और अपने friends, family, relatives सबके साथ ये live share करो and let's hope for the best, because we really love Divya Khosla Kumar and we just cannot get enough of her beauty, how beautiful and charming she is, how expressive she is, and उनका जो हर सॉन्ग होता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास होता है. इट्स लाइक एवरी सॉन्ग इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. तो एंड एवरी सॉन्ग हैज़ अ स्टोरी. So I am definitely gonna ask her today that why her songs are so much story oriented always. And so let me know your favorite song in the comment box below. And Abhishek Das official has commented, super excited to see her, and you also. Thank you so much, Abhishek. That's a big compliment for me. And Mr. Kumar is saying कि बढ़िया मैम, न्यू टैलेंट को चांस देती है टी सीरीज. येस, दैट्स राइट. एंड मतलब यू ऑल नो कि टी सीरीज का कोई भी सॉन्ग आता है, the viewerships are crashing. Viewership crash like anything. So this is the beauty of T series, because सालों से चलता आ रहा है T series, and the songs they have a quality, they have good video quality, and बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि जो हमें एक सॉन्ग से हमारी बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं. लाइक जब भी कोई सॉन्ग रिलीज़ होता है, सो आशिकों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं कि सॉन्ग ऐसा हो दैट वी कुड डेडिकेट टू आवर गर्लफ्रेंड, और लड़कियों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं कि सॉन्ग थोड़ा रोमांटिक सा हो, जैसे सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगे, बहुत मज़ा आए एंड थोड़ा रोमांटिसिज्म फील हो. So that is how a song is supposed to make you feel. And अगर आप में से आप में से कोई ऐसा है जिसने अभी तक ये सॉन्ग देख लिया है तेरी आँखों में? किसने देखा है? लाइक आप में से कोई है जिसने देख लिया है ये गाना अभी तक? दीपांशु मदान सेइंग कि देख लिया, बढ़िया है. दीपांशु भाई, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे रहे हो तो अच्छे से दो. इतना छोटा सा कॉम्प्लीमेंट बढ़िया है. मतलब क्या कहना चाहोगे इस सॉन्ग के बारे में? थोड़ा सा एलैबोरेट करो कि कैसा लगा ये सॉन्ग, किसी को भेजा या नहीं भेजा, किसी स्पेशल वन को, या ये सॉन्ग देख के किसी की याद आई या नहीं आई, या फिर दिव्या खोसला कुमार से प्यार हुआ या नहीं, बिकॉज डैम शी इज़ लुकिंग डैम गॉर्जियस इन दैट सॉन्ग. वैसे इन दैट सॉन्ग ही नहीं, वो हर सॉन्ग में ही बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारी है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी एंड गॉर्जियस लगती हैं. um ANM3149 इज सेइंग मैंने भी देखा है। आरुषि कह रही हैं कि मेरे को याद आ गई गाना सुन के। भाई किसकी याद आ गई आरुषि? आरुषि लेट अस नो कि आपको किसकी याद आई। और यहाँ पे शी इज मैरिड, राघव शी इज मैरिड, बट क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, प्यार करने के लिए शादी हुई है या नहीं हुई है, बच्चे हैं या नहीं है, डजेंट रियली मैटर, बिकॉज लव इज समथिंग बियॉन्ड शादी, बियॉन्ड किड्स and beyond expectations. So I think loving someone ऐसा नहीं है कि that person is married or isn't married. So guys, we are just waiting for her to join, because let me tell you that this is a hectic day for her. And आज क्योंकि इस सॉन्ग का वर्चुअल प्रमोशन ऑल ओवर द कंट्री हो रहा है, बड़े स्केल पे हो रहा है, एंड बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में हो रहा है, तो शी इज़ क्लियरली हैविंग अ वेरी हेक्टिक डे। एंड इतने सारे लोगों से बातचीत करना, लगातार कनेक्ट रहना इतने सारे लोगों के साथ उनके लिए भी आसान नहीं, एंड शी इज़ गिविंग टाइम टू ऑल ऑफ अस। तो थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार करते हैं दिव्या जी का। लेट्स do a little. Okay, she is here. Let's get her joined. jaldi do. So we are now waiting for Divya Khosla Kumar to join in the live. And oh my god, look at her, look at the Barbie doll, the national crush Divya Khosla Kumar. She's finally here.
Thank you so much.
My god, you look so dreamy. Matlab, we were just talking about that, how gorgeous she is, and there she comes, as beautiful as a fairy.
Thank you so much.
And we are super excited for this, and we would like to extend our hardest thanks to Mr. Dhruv Galgotia, and I welcome you on behalf of Galgotia University once again.
Thank you so much. I'm really excited to be there.
So अभी कुछ ही देर हुई है, मतलब it's just few hours since the song has been published, and you have already crossed 1 million views. I mean, this is huge. This is huge, and we are so happy. आप कितने खुश हैं?
Actually, मैंने check नहीं किया because actually, sorry, one minute. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but you are not quite audible. Like voice बहुत कम आ रही है. It's very low, so I think you maybe need to increase the volume. Something.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Sure. All yours. So everybody in the comment section, Divya is here. You can now put in your questions. You can compliment. You can comment. You can do everything while we are just fixing the audio.
We'll just join back.
So you want me to start again?
Yeah. We'll just come back.
Okay, sure. So guys, because of a technical error, we are going to start this live again. So I request you all to join us again. Thank you. यार रह लो, क्या पता कि एकदम से मेरे को ज़रूरत पड़ जाए आपकी। यार ये लैपटॉप भी तो भैंसोद सरकारी हो गया एकदम। thank you everyone for joining back again and you guys are such a sweetheart मतलब इतनी जल्दी इतने सारे लोग live आ गए and thank you so much guys, thank you so much because this is a huge thing for us, all of this love and support from you. So thank you so much for coming back live again and छोटे से technical issue की वजह से we had to restart the live and इतने सारे लोग इतनी स्पीड में जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं वी आर रियली हैप्पी एंड थैंकफुल टू यू. सो आपने देखा, you just saw that Divya came live with us and she'll be coming live again. So by the time you want to say something, you want to tell us something, so let's get her joined. Let's get the gorgeous beauty joined in our live. And there she comes on the count of 5, 4, 3. Can you all count with me? Yes, there
Yeah.
she is. There she is. Welcome back again. Welcome back.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
No, you shouldn't be sorry. Actually, either technical problem hoga to we really don't care because we are, playing the song on loop since morning and and okay. So very first question that came to my mind when I looked at the song. Why are all of your songs so much story oriented, which is a very good thing. I mean जब हम सॉन्ग को देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है ना कि पूरी फिल्म की फील हमें गाने में मिल गई है. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? Do you choose to make it like this or I mean how?
Yeah, I don't मैं बहुत काम नहीं करती. I do very selective work और जो करती हूँ extremely good quality. And it's very coincidental that both my songs, Yaaki Yaaki and Teri Aankhon mein, were directed by Radhika Rao and Dilip Sangha. And I as an actor only have limited skill that their storyline, their bridging as an actor stepping into the dance of the world and try to deliver what they project out. So yeah, it's their storyline. I have just been a character.
Wow, that's and so many comments are pouring in for you. People are saying love you Divya and too many love yous are pouring in. So first of all,
I really love you.
so let me tell you all की याद पिया की आने लगी जिस गाने से दिव्या became the national crush. Like everybody was like, oh my god, she's so pretty, she's so beautiful, she's so gorgeous. Has already crossed 320 million on YouTube.
330 million.
Oh my god, I'm still wrong with these statistics. How is that possible? 330 million on YouTube, guys. And thank you to all of you because this has been possible because of everybody, because of the audience. तो जो सक्सेस याद पिया की आने लगी को मिली है, आई एम 100% श्योर कि हमारा जो आज का सॉन्ग है तेरी आंखों में भी इज गोना ब्रेक ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ओके, सो दिव्या, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आज जो हम ये कर रहे हैं दिस इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग. सो हाउ डज इट फील्स टू बी द फर्स्ट एवर पायनियर ऑफ फर्स्ट एवर डिजिटल कॉलेज टूर?
Oh my god, I'm super excited because अभी corona चल रहा है. I would have actually loved to come to all the colleges on a personal basis and meet all the children because it would have been so much fun meeting the students. But it's really sad that अभी COVID is going on and I can't have the event.
Yes,
So
yes.
I'm sending them all my love. I actually see my song taking out for this working with all of stuff. And this song is just something which will make you fall in love and takes you back to school time because school की reunion party was very fun. After that
So अभी तो मतलब आई थिंक सबकी लॉटरी लग गई है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे एक ऐसा सॉन्ग रिलीज होना. सो आई थिंक पीपल आर प्रीटी मच एक्साइटेड एंड so as we. So video got live at 11 a.m. sharp and it's already on playlist. So like how was your experience shooting this video during the pandemic?
We were actually listening to Master net over. But this band is driving up. But if time on it, so they are going into the field, they are doing our work, and
एग्जैक्टली सो अच्छा याद पिया की आने लगी वॉज लाइक short before pandemic and this is short during the pandemic everything is changed maybe like crew the singers and maybe the editing team the production team whatever it is so how is this different from this like how do you expect it to be different or how do you expect its results to be different than yaad piya ki aane lagi
See, for me, as a great artist की तरह काम करती हूँ। तो यहाँ पर I was told I had to do मेरा एक था कि I live on never been this particular but the thing was that I look at God and have to set this 5% भी and now we are so you see God with the wings I would like to sort of put on that जाके हालत पार्टी लगा कर डालते हैं he used to that I follow the project I just try to pay attention to the fact that my character
okay so they were keep everything apart how does it feels to be the national crush
Oh my god. I feel so happy excited as an artist. People like your work the audience will they love it. Feedback is very important. But the feedback is it pushes me to push my own self more and more hard work, give more and more of myself. And yeah, that's what I try to do. Great that I would say find you guys so.
wow that is why we say that you're the sweetest so okay so the song also features Pearl V Puri and Rohit Sushanti so how was the experience working with them on the set
I think we all used to like one family, laughing and talking. We actually done it. So happy and actually I was the one who was making both of them laugh. So I was like this goofy girl on the set. I was comedy. On the set. Was shooting like one day 24 hours, another day 7 hours, and in a day 5 minutes. And I was making sure that is laughing and those that want to go gentle. They're all happy and yeah.
Right. So, Radhika Roy and Vinay Sapru have directed Yaad Piya Ki and Teri Aankhon Mein. So, how is the experience working with them? Because you, being an ace director yourself, like you do have your own inputs, and they do have their own inputs. So, how do you guys manage to go all together hand in hand? And how's the experience working with them?
When I work with them, also have the same direction. They are very. I can't carry my wherever I live. I have to go to bed. For me, if I have to go to bed, I have to step into their room. So I step into the round of the work and I think how do I keep this happen and how do I deliver what they want from me as happen. I just work towards that and the rest is trust and always those look coffee like all over the fire, those all over corporate and that shows you all the looks. Until now, people are having that looks. It's like for moving out of the world and I just go as they want to. So I just need to follow them.
Oh, that's so sweet. So, Acha, now that today we have seen Teri Aankhon Mein, and now as an audience, me and all my friends and everybody watching us is super excited to see you in Satyamev Jayate 2. तो उसके बारे में उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ tell us something about the project because we just can't hold our cravings.
So, Satyamev Jayate 2 is going on close to the next October. It started this shooting now, and I'm also the John Planet and very, very excited to be working with him. He is such a good, hardworking actor, strong on his own, and the whole team, my connection with our creating and everybody is like so positive and attitude and so welcoming, and we are having a fabulous character. I'm big fan.
Wow. So, as I asked you about the directors, and you are a director yourself. So, how was your experience directing films like Yaria and Sanam Re? Because like they remain our favorite till date. But because Yaria, I remember when it came in my college, every student was like, "Yaar, Yaria dekhi tune? Did you see the film Yaria?" I was like, okay, let's go and watch Yaria, and I loved it. And like, I won't tell you, but I remember the dialogues. So, how was your experience directing those beautiful films?
Yeah, that was the first thing that I said. I'm pretty excited about this trip. In fact, like it's this was a newcomer to launch time. See, very fun. We have to picture that it's like outside the city, hard to see when the film came out, everybody was in shock, and I got a lot of love and appreciation, especially to the audience. And great job, so much love and appreciation. So this was a fight of challenge. You got to picture of the I worked really hard on the project that I would like to say that they passed long time, they worked on that creative factor quite some time. All of the things I got great and
Okay. So, before I go, I'd like to ask you one last question. So, my personal favorite songs, one of them include Akkad Bakkad. Which is your personal favorite song of yours? Like, there has to be a favorite which you'd be like, oh,
I think अभी तो तेरी आंखों में I'm looking at your eyes, it's तेरी आंखों में
oh, that's nice. That's
आंखों में तो क्या है क्या
wow, wow, wow.
I think
That's
every girl who's asking this now wants to get the
we are definitely gonna be binge watching it, and I'm sure that the millions record is already crossed, and we hope to go in trillions and so on. And the universe, like, so glad and happy to receive the energy, the love and light from the universe. And you have like one of the most beautiful comments pouring in where people are pouring love for you. So I'd request you to
Hi, Big Bunny. Hi, S. Kumara. Hi, Stargate Star. Hi, Abhijit. Hello, Arthurishwar. Hello, Naman.
wow.
Hi, Anshuman. Hi, Prashant. Hi, PP V2S. I love you too. Hi, Kandar Sonu. Hi, Rohit Jadhav.
Guys,
Hi,
everybody's name that she has taken. Now all of you have to
Hi,
go
Krishna.
and
Hi, Mati. Hi, cute girl. I love you guys.
wow.
Bye.
Divya, that is so sweet and generous of you. Being a fan,
Hi,
I can
Rohit.
say that this is the sweetest thing you
Rohit,
have
my
ever done.
co-star is here.
Yeah. So now that she has personally taken
Hi,
everybody's
Guna. My
name.
co-host, Sadia. Hi,
See,
Firefall.
so guys, everybody go share, binge watch, do everything, make dance videos, make singing videos, and shower your love on Divya and T series, and everybody shower your love on तेरी आंखों में, आंखों से आंखों तक ये जो एनर्जी है, ये जो प्यार है, ये मोहब्बत है, पहुंचना चाहिए. So I'd like to extend my heartiest thanks to Divya once again for joining us, and for so thank you so much once again, Divya, and I'll take you leave because you have a lot of lives to attend today, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next live. Thank you so much, and I thank you on behalf of whole Gangota University, the students, teachers.